Hello students, welcome again in today's video lesson. In the last video lesson we have complete the discussion of question number J of chapter number 5, page number 107. In today's video lesson I will discuss with you of page number 108, question number K, the long answered questions. The first one is, what do you mean by global warming? Why it has become a serious issue? Global warming, as all of you know, is a very is caused due to the increase in the percentage of carbon dioxide or greenhouse gases in the air. These gases does not allow much of the heat of the earth to escape, due to which the temperature of this earth goes on increasing day by day. And this sudden increase in the temperature of the air is called global warming. It has become a serious issue because it has so many bad effects on us. This increase in the sudden increase in the temperature leads to the melting of polar ice caps. This melting of polar ice caps has increased the water level in the seas and oceans, due to which the coastal areas has been badly affected with the floods. Now you can see lots of cyclones and floods are happening in very frequently. So this is one of the effect of global warming only. So it is a very serious issue. Explain why is nitrogen an important constituent of air. Nitrogen is very important constituent. It does not have any direct use to us, but it is very important because nitrogen is one of the major component of the atmosphere, which itself does not burn or neither it burn itself or supports the combustion, but it helps to control the burning. So it is very important. Nitrogen is also used for protein synthesis. So this atmospheric nitrogen converted by some natural processes like by nitrogen fixing bacteria. We have studied by thundering and lightning. This atmospheric nitrogen converts into oxides or the nitrates of nitrogen, which are used by the plants for their growth and development. From there we animals also get that. So it's very important. Nitrogen also used as a non-toxic, and it is does not allow any microorganism to grow in it. So this gas is also used in packaging foods like potato chips and other wafers. This does not allow microorganism. It can be preserved for a few months. So these are the important uses, and so nitrogen we can say very important constituent of the air. Why is air important for sustaination of life, for the physical and chemical activities? Explain by giving 5 reasons. So air is very important to sustain life. First, air is if I say the oxygen present in the air helps to survive plants and animal both, because it is used in the process of respiration. It is also helps in combustion. Then carbon dioxide present in the atmosphere, it helps in the process called photosynthesis. Nitrogen present in the air, I just now last question I have discussed, same points you can write here. So atmospheric nitrogen use controls the burning. It is help for protein synthesis, and also it is used for food packaging, etc. and other uses also you can write. Water vapor present in the atmosphere, it helps to regulate the change in weather, suppose basically the rainfall. Okay. Noble gases present in the air also helps in very traces. They are very present in very traces, but they also have so many uses. Here you have to give five reasons. So I have written say the 5 reasons. Now you can also write the chemical equations behind it, the reasons. Explain the processes which maintain the balance and between nitrogen and carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So basically this balance of between oxygen and carbon dioxide in the air is done by the process called oxygen cycle and carbon dioxide cycle, carbon cycle you can say. During this oxygen cycle, animals use oxygen present in the atmosphere for photosynthesis, and in return we give out carbon dioxide. Also, we are burning lots of things. This burning and also produces carbon dioxide that also goes to the atmosphere. So these carbon dioxide are used by the plants for photosynthesis, and in return they all give out oxygen. Okay, so in this way again this oxygen is used by the plants, animals for respiration and other activities, and we get for carbon dioxide gas, and this cycle goes on parallelly. In this way we can maintain the balance of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere. So these are the two processes, oxygen cycle and carbon cycle, by which we can maintain the balance between carbon and oxygen in the atmosphere. With the help of the experiment, prove that carbon dioxide is one of the product formed when burning of fuel takes place. So burning of fuel takes place. So we can give an experiment that is of a candle flame. So we have to light a candle and put it on a table. Over the candle, straight over the candle, you can put a funnel which is connected to a pipe. This pipe is put into a test tube which contains freshly prepared lime water. Now light the candle. When you light the candle, you will see some smokes come out. Definitely you know carbon dioxide smoke is coming out, heat is produced, light is produced. So but the main thing that is producing the carbon dioxide, that's to identify, because wick of the candle is burning. So burning produces some gases also. So when this gas goes into the funnel and passes into the delivery tube and come to the lime water, it mixes with the lime water. After few minutes, what you will see, the transparent lime water changes into milky white in color. Why it changes? Because when lime water changes to milky white means it changes into, from calcium hydroxide it changes to calcium carbonate. So that means calcium hydroxide definitely reacts with carbon dioxide gas. That's why it changes to calcium carbonate and hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay, so in this experiment what we see, the gas that comes out while burning the wick of the candle, it produces carbon dioxide gas. So in this way we can say that burning produces carbon dioxide gas. Next is how will you prove that air contain oxygen? Explain with the help of an activity. So air contain oxygen, again you can use this same experiment with candle. So for that, what you do, you take a candle and put in a tumbler which contain water, and light the candle and invert it with the help of a gas jar. After inverting it into the gas jar, what you will see, this after some time candle flame is automatically put off. Why it is getting put off? It automatically put off because the air which present inside the tumbler, the glass which contain oxygen is already used up, and there is no more oxygen which helps to produce to burn the candle again. So what we see here, we see that oxygen is necessary for burning, and this oxygen is only present in the atmosphere. Okay, so in this by this experiment we can say that prove that air contain oxygen. Okay, so these are the points that I have to discuss with you in this today's video lesson. So in this way we have already completed this chapter. The next video lessons I will discuss with you about this picture studies. Few questions are very important here, picture study, that will also come in your final exam. Okay students, thank you very much for watching this video. See you again in the next online class and video lesson. Thank you very much.